Hey, what's going on, guys? So right here we have a EK JDI kill switch, brand new. And so pretty much here's the kit. Here's the extending wire. Pretty much it has two leads that go onto the harness. So pretty much, let's open this up. So pretty much with this kit, it basically replaces the main relay that controls power to the fuel pump and to the ECU. And basically it goes in the stock location by the passenger side, by the glove department, by the dash. It has a 10 mil that you have to take off from the outside. There's a plastic cover in the dashboard. So my only problem with this is that, okay, so I have the kill switch, right? Well, let's just try it out. So pretty much the concept of this is you have it here. So let's say it's running inside your car, right? You have this running to wherever you want to have it. Pretty much someone breaks into your car, and if they're familiar with Hondas, boom, all they got to do is go to the location where this relay is located. Okay, boom, just go. Disconnect these two. And bam, basically bypassing the kill switch. So what I like to do with this kit, I like to modify it a little bit. So what I do is basically I'm gonna try to cut these ends off and probably solder it together. So pretty much there's no unplugging this. You know, you would have to really cut it and go through all that. And you know, if you're trying to steal a car, I mean, you're trying to get it as fast as possible so you don't want to run into any issues. So that's what I'm thinking of doing, is just cutting these leads off, cutting these. And the only problem with the kit that I would suggest is making it a little bit longer, just because depending on where you want to run the switch, you need more wire. So what I plan on doing is extending this wire a little bit more. That way you can place it anywhere pretty much in the car. And so pretty much for this, we're going to start with cutting these leads on. We're going to solder the two wires together, heat shrink it, and also there it goes, so making it a little bit more flush. Once I do that, I'm gonna get the wiring loom tape and kind of tape it up so it looks a lot better. Let's go to the location where this relay is located. Okay, boom, just go. Pretty much we have the two ends right here. Got enough wire, so we have enough. Solder it. Go here, put it over our solder. Turn it on. So it's gonna blink. Once it turns red, I'm gonna cut off these females. Try to make him out, say they could have tried to cut it. So pretty much right here we have the JDI kit. Pretty much I cut out the female and male connectors and I solder it together to the extension to the kill switch. So it's a little bit more what is it, tamper proof, but at least it'll take more of an effort to try to make him out. Say they could have tried to cut it here and, you know, put it together, but you know, you can only do what you can do. So and then I went ahead and extended it. So now the toggle switch can be hidden somewhere more deeper in the car. And also I loomed it so it looks a lot neater and easier to install.
Like and subscribe.